In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete received payment that has been deposited in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you record a customer payment included in a deposit and then later realize that something wasn't quite right. Maybe the payment was applied to the wrong invoice, maybe it was duplicated, or maybe the customer didn't actually pay yet. In these cases, you'll want to safely delete that payment in QuickBooks Online so your books stay accurate. That's exactly what we'll walk through step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the Sales area. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for the option labeled Sales and click on it. This is where you manage your customers, products, and most importantly for this video, your invoices and payments. Once you're in the Sales section, go ahead and click on Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your invoices along with their current status, such as paid, partially paid, or unpaid. Next, you'll need to find the specific invoice that's tied to the payment you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar or filters at the top to narrow it down by customer name, invoice number, or date. Take a moment to make sure you have the correct invoice, since deleting the wrong payment can throw off your records. Once you've found the right invoice, click on it to open the invoice details. On this page, you'll see information about the invoice as well as any payments that have been applied. Look for the payment link or the payment date, usually listed under the Payments section or near the balance information. Click on that payment link or date to open the specific payment transaction. Now that you're inside the payment transaction screen, you're ready to delete it. At the bottom of this window, or sometimes in the footer area, look for a button labeled More. Click on More, and a small menu will appear with additional actions. From this list, select Delete. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this payment. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes to confirm. This permanently removes the payment transaction from your books and from any deposit it was included in. After doing this, the invoice will return to its previous status, usually showing as unpaid or with a higher open balance, depending on what was removed. Always double-check the invoice and your deposit records afterward to make sure everything reflects the change correctly.